students, how are you? I welcome you all to today's session. So students, हम जो ऑनलाइन पढ़ने वाले हैं, ऑनलाइन सेशंस हम सभी के लिए बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रहता है. आपको कहीं जाना भी नहीं पड़ता और आप अपने ही घर पे अपने टेबल पे बैठे बैठे सब कुछ सीख सकते हैं. So before beginning the section, do you know मेरा नाम क्या है? My name is Right, my name is Simran and I am going to be your teacher for this particular subject. अब ये ऑनलाइन सेशन हम स्टार्ट करेंगे, अपनी क्लास को स्टार्ट करेंगे and do you know what is the interesting chapter that we are going to read? The chapter is Hello students, I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is heavenly bodies and learning objectives, celestial bodies, the sun, moon and stars, the solar system and the earth. Get going. How can we see the celestial bodies? By a telescope. Which star show us the north direction, which is the pole star? And why is the sky black and dark on some nights? And because space ka jo natural color hota hai, it is dark only. Now let's begin with the chapter. Reading time. The twinkling stars, the bright moon and the shining sun, these all increase the glory of the sky. तो आपको sky में ये जो sun, moon, stars दिखाई देते हैं, ये sky को और भी ज़्यादा beautify कर देते हैं. Let's study them one by one. The sun. The sun is a huge ball of fire and gases that emits heat and light. Sun is the ultimate source of energy. It is the head of a big family called the solar system. The sun is actually a star. It is closest to the earth. All the other stars are far, far away from the earth, and sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The sun is several times bigger than the earth, and life would not be possible on earth without the sun. Ab sun, solar system और उसके जो 8 planets हैं, sun is like the head of this solar system. Without sun कोई भी activity किसी भी planet पे नहीं हो पाएगी, earth पे भी नहीं हो पाएगी. And sun rises in the east and sets in the west direction. Science in context, 1 million earth can fit into the sun. मतलब sun इतना ज़्यादा बड़ा है earth के comparison में कि 1 million earth एक sun के अंदर fit हो सकते हैं. Temperature inside the sun can reach up to 15 million degrees Celsius. तो sun के बिल्कुल center में जो temperature है, it can reach up to 15 million, which is really hot. Now let's study about the moon. The moon is the Earth's closest neighbor in the sky. It is the Earth's only natural satellite. It moves around the Earth. Life is not possible on the moon as there is no atmosphere on the moon. There is no air or water. There are huge holes on the moon's surface and they are called craters. A moon, it is the Earth's only natural satellite and it also revolves around the Earth and it has huge holes. रात को चांद को आप देखोगे तो आपको बहुत सारे डार्क जिसे कहते हैं दिखाई देंगे, अलग अलग टाइप के डार्क इमेजेस दिखाई देंगे व्हाइट मून पे भी. It is the craters in the moon. The moon does not have any light of its own. It reflects the light of the sun. Have you noticed that the moon keeps changing its shape every night? On some nights it is circular while it is semicircular or invisible on some nights. The different shapes of the moon are called the phases of the moon. अब डेली जब आप निकलोगे बाहर रात के टाइम पे चांद को देखने के लिए, उसके शेप आपको सेम नहीं दिखाई देंगे. कभी पूरा गोल होगा, कभी हाफ से भी आधा होगा, क्रिसेंट सा होगा, कभी थोड़ा सा आपका फुल से थोड़ा सा कम होगा जिसे गिबिस मून बोला जाता है, और कभी दिखाई ही नहीं देगा जिसे बोलते हैं new moon. So these are all the phases of moon. New moon जब बिल्कुल दिखाई नहीं देता, then you have the crescent moon, first quarter, gibbous moon and finally the full moon. The moon takes 27 days and 8 hours to move once around the earth, and the different phases of moon are visible as it moves around the earth. तो moon को sun के चारों ओर एक revolve करने के लिए around 27 days and 8 hours लगते हैं. Science in context, distance between the moon and the earth is around 3,84,400 kilometers and the moon causes rise and fall of the tides in the seas and oceans. अब जो आपका अर्थ और मून है उसके बीच का डिस्टेंस है अराउंड 3,84,400 और ये जो आपको समुद्र में आपको वेव्स और टाइड्स दिखाई देती हैं, लहरें दिखाई देती हैं, इट हैपेंस बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रेविटेशनल पुल ऑफ द मून. Another activity 1, observe the moon for a month. Keep a record of the phases of the moon, on which night it was shining brightly and when it was not visible at all. Maintain a diary for recording your observations. अब एक महीने के लिए डेली रात को छत पे जाइए और मून के फेजेस देखिए, कौन से दिन में सबसे पूरा दिखता है, कौन से दिन में क्या शेप है एंड किस दिन दिखता ही नहीं है, ये आपको अपनी डायरी में रिकॉर्ड करना है. Now let's study about the stars. Have you seen the tiny twinkling objects in the night sky? They are stars. Stars are huge balls of fire, but they are very, very far away from us. So they appear to be very tiny. अभी जो stars हैं, जो रात को आपको twinkle करते हुए कभी-कभी non-twinkling stars दिखाई देते हैं, एक्चुअल में ये बहुत छोटे दिखाई देते हैं, बट ये मून से भी बड़े हैं. बट ये छोटे इसलिए दिखाई देते हैं बिकॉज दे आर वेरी 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 फार फ्रॉम द सर्फेस ऑफ द अर्थ. Stars appear to twinkle because we view them through a thick layer of moving air in the Earth's atmosphere. A group of stars forming a fixed pattern is called constellation, and there are several constellations in the universe. अब stars कभी-कभी आप देखोगे certain patterns को follow करते हुए एक shape बना देते हैं कभी-कभी. These are known as constellations. Stars and the other heavenly bodies can be observed closely and clearly with the help of an instrument called telescope. Telescope की मदद से आप एक clear night sky में इन सारे stars और planets को देख सकते हैं. Have you ever wondered where do the stars disappear in the day? Actually, the stars do not go anywhere during the day. They are just hidden by the light of the sun, due to which only the sun is visible in the day. दिन के टाइम पे आपको मून या फिर स्टार्स इसलिए दिखाई नहीं देते हैं बिकॉज सन की इतनी ब्राइट लाइट होती है कि वो हम सबको छुपा देती है. बट एक्चुअली में स्टार्स और बाकी सब प्लैनेट्स का लोकेशन एग्जैक्टली वहीं रहता है. नाउ चेक योरसेल्फ, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस और इसको आपको खुद से बताना है. Activity 2, collect the pictures of different constellations and find out their names too. Paste them on a chart paper. अपने adult की मदद से इंटरनेट पे जाइए, अलग अलग constellations की फोटो को प्रिंट आउट निकालिए, पेस्ट करिए और उन constellations का नाम लिखिए. Now let's study about solar system. The solar system is a huge family consisting of sun and at its center and the 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune revolving around it. The solar system is like a family. It's a family of 9 members. Sun उसका head है बिल्कुल सेंटर में, उसके आसपास स्पाइरल कर रहे हैं बाकी के सारे 8 planets. The word planet has been derived from the Latin word meaning the wanderer. Planets move around the sun in fixed paths called the orbits and they are elliptical in shape. Planets जो है वो आपका Latin word से आया है और इसका मतलब होता है wanderer, जो घूमते रहते हैं. एंड बिल्कुल इसके नाम की तरह ही जितने भी planets होते हैं एक fixed path में जिन्हें बोला जाता है orbit, sun के आसपास revolve करते रहते हैं, wander करते रहते हैं. The first 4 planets are called the inner planets or the rocky planets, while the last 4 planets are called the outer planets or the gas giants, as they are much larger than the inner planets. And the inner planets are composed mainly of rocks. तो पहले 4 जो आपके planets हैं वो आपके inner planets बोले जाते हैं या फिर rocky planets, and the rest of the 4 last planets are known as the outer planets or the gas giants. Science in context. Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun, but the hottest planet is Venus. Mars is called red planet as it has a lot of iron in its soil that glows red when the sun's light falls on it. Mercury सबसे ज़्यादा nearest planet है sun का, and the hottest planet, but the hottest planet is Venus. And apart from that, Mars is a red planet. Now let's study about our own planet, the Earth. The Earth is the 3rd planet in the solar system. It is like an orange in shape, flat at the top and bottom and bulging at the middle. The flat ends are called the poles, and the one at the top is the North Pole and the other at the bottom is the South Pole. Ab sun, it's like an orange spherical kind of a shape और top और bottom से it has bulges, थोड़ा सा flattened है, बीच से bulge out है और ऊपर उनके से flat है, हल्का सा flat है, and ऊपर का है North Pole, नीचे का है South Pole. Mind-boggling. How do volcanoes erupt and what is the substance that comes out during an eruption? Volcanic eruptions happen because of a number of factors. Underground बहुत सारी activities होती रहती हैं amongst the plates beneath the earth surface, and जो से आपका surface जो आपका eruption में material निकलता है, it is the hot lava, magma. For the living things to survive, presence of air, water and correct temperature enable the possibility of life on the earth. अब life earth पे ही क्यों possible है? क्योंकि water liquid form में है. सारी चीज़ें जितनी भी consistency या जितनी constituency चाहिए जितनी चीज़ की, उतनी ही बिल्कुल सही quantity में earth पे available है. Now let's see movements of the earth. Earth is not stationary. Movements of the earth cause days and nights and changes of season. The main 2 movements of the earth are rotation and revolution. Let's see what is rotation. Rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis. Axis is an imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth from the North Pole to the South Pole. Earth spins like a top from west to east. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Rotation of the Earth causes day and night. And the part of the Earth that faces the sun has day and the other part has night. अब rotation होता है, अपने ही axis पे Earth rotate करता है. 24 hours उसको rotate करने में लग जाते हैं and इसकी वजह से आपके होते हैं day और night. Rotation of the earth can be understood with the help of a globe. Globe is a model of the earth. Globe लेकर आइए, उसको जब आप घुमाओगे बिल्कुल उसी तरीके से आपका अपने एक्सिस पे ही रोटेशन करता है earth. Second movement of earth is revolution. Along with its movement on its axis, the earth also moves around the sun. Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed orbit, and earth takes around 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. It causes season. दूसरा movement है earth का revolution. अपने एक्सिस पे तो घूमता ही है, उसके साथ साथ पूरा वॉन्डर भी करता है. जैसे लट्टू कभी कभी आप चलाते हो तो अपने जो उसका एक्सिस होता है उस पर तो वो गोल गोल घूमता ही है, उसके साथ साथ जगह भी बदलता रहता है. इसी तरीके से आपका रेवोल्यूशन करता है अर्थ. 365 डेज एंड 6 आवर्स लगते हैं एक रेवोल्यूशन करने के लिए, जिसकी वजह से होते हैं डिफरेंट सीजन्स ऑफ द ईयर. Layers of the earth. The earth is made up of 3 different layers: crust, mantle and core. Crust, it is the hard uppermost layer of the earth. It consists of rocks and loose materials. All living things live on the crust. It has huge land masses called the continents and very big water bodies called the oceans. Uppermost part, hard rocky जो earth का surface है, it is known as the crust. इसमें आपकी सारी बड़ी बड़ी water bodies lie करती हैं. For example, oceans. Then you have the mantle. Mantle lies below the crust. It is made up of thick rocky substance. The lower layers of the mantle are made up of super hot solid rocks. फिर आपका mantle आता है ठीक crust के नीचे आपका mantle आता है. It also has rocky substances, but इसमें आपके super hot solid rocks भी देखे जाते हैं. And then you have the core. The outer core of the earth is made up of liquid molten lava. The inner core is a solid ball of iron and nickel. तो इसमें आपकी अलग अलग metals और अलग अलग substances की constituency है. जो आपका core का outer part है उसमें आपका liquid molten lava है और जो inner part है उसमें आपका iron और nickel है. Earth is the only planet where life exists. It has a thick layer of air surrounding it called atmosphere. The distance of the earth from the sun allows the earth to have appropriate temperature, neither too hot nor too cold, and the part of the earth that faces the sun has summer and the other part has winter. अब earth ही एक लौता ऐसा planet है जहाँ पे life possible है because of its appropriate adequate temperature and water in its liquid form. Activity 3. Find out the names of all the continents and oceans on the earth. तो अलग अलग continents and we have a lot of oceans as well. उनके नाम आपको पता लगानी है and you have to write it down. Activity 4. Take a globe and torch, switch on the torch and rotate on the globe. The part facing the beam of light has day and the other part has night. Similarly, the part of the sun has a summer and has the earth spins on the axis, seasons change. अब एक globe लीजिए, torch लीजिए. Torch को जैसे ही आप flash करोगे, earth globe के जिस part पे आपका torch flash करेगा, वहाँ पे उजाला होता है day time. Back side पे उजाला नहीं है, नाइट टाइम. इसी तरीके से सन का जो पार्ट अर्थ के सामने रहता है जहां पे उजाला रहता है, इट इज द डे टाइम. पीछे वाले साइड पे सन होता नहीं है, लाइट पड़ती नहीं है, अंधेरा होता है, हेंस द नाइट टाइम. इसी तरीके से ये आपका रिवॉल्व भी करता रहता है, जिसकी वजह से होते हैं सीजनल चेंजेस. नाउ चेक योरसेल्फ, fill in the blanks and these questions you have to answer them on your own. Now glimpse of a chapter: solar system, family of the sun and the 8 planets, satellite, a natural or man-made object that revolves around the earth, craters, huge holes on the surface of the moon, phases of moon, different shapes of moon, constellations, group of stars, telescope, instrument to study the heavenly bodies, orbit, fixed path in which the planets revolve around the sun, rotation, movement of the earth on its axis, imaginary line from the north to south pole, revolution, movement of the earth around the sun. So basically in this chapter we read about our solar system with sun at its center and the 8 planets revolving around it. Because of that अलग-अलग activities, गतिविधियां अलग-अलग planets पे होती रहती है. Now let's summarize the chapter. The sun is a huge ball of fire and gases. The sun is the closest star to the earth. The moon is the earth's only natural satellite. The moon reflects the light of the sun. There is no air and water on the moon. Group of stars form a constellation. The sun, 8 planets form the solar system. Planets move in a fixed path called orbit around the sun. Earth's movement on its axis is called rotation. Rotation causes day and night. Movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution, and it causes a crust, mantle, core are the 3 layers of the earth. So we have studied about the 3 different layers of the earth, its constituency, and also how does day and night happen and what causes seasons to occur or change. नाउ थिंक एन आंसर. हर क्वेश्चन का एक आपको बता दिया जाएगा, उसी पैटर्न को फॉलो करते हुए आपको बाकी के आंसर्स खुद देने हैं. Take the correct option. Huge holes on the moon are craters. Option number B. Fill in the blanks. We see moon at night in the sky and different stars also. Now here you have to draw the solar system. Chapter में भी उसका image है. Just copy it and draw it here. Define rotation. Rotation means the Earth's movement on its own axis, and because of that, day and night happen. Answer the following questions. What is solar system? Solar system is like a huge family of 9 members, to be very precise. Sun at its center and 8 planets revolving around it. Science club. Sun gives us energy to produce electricity. The energy is known as the solar system. We can use this energy for doing various things like cooking and heating, and we should try to use solar energy because it is a clean source of energy. It is also less polluting than the fossil fuels. तो sun आपको एक energy देता है, इससे आप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हो. वी कॉल इट द सोलर एनर्जी. इट इज मोर गुड बिकॉज पोल्यूटिंग नहीं होता. इट इज लेस पोल्यूटिंग दैन द फॉसिल फ्यूल्स. टॉक अबाउट वाई इज प्लूटो कॉल्ड द ड्वार्फ प्लैनेट. तो 9th प्लैनेट था पहले नेपट्यून के बाद प्लूटो, बट अभी ड्वार्फ प्लैनेट में आ चुका है. वाई इज दैट? फाइंड इट आउट एंड राइट इट डाउन. Cognitive corner. Collect information about the solar and lunar eclipses. How are they formed and when do they occur? Prepare a chart showing the diagrams with the information. अब आपका जो सूर्य ग्रहण और चंद्र ग्रहण लगता है, क्यों लगता है, किस तरीके से होता है, उसके बारे में आपको पता लगाना है. चार्ट पेपर पे ड्रॉ करना है एंड यू हैव टू राइट द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द सेम. Life skills. Look at the sky at night. You can see many shining heavenly bodies. All these are very big. The earth is one of them. We are on the earth, so we are alive. We can live because of favorable conditions exist on the earth, and it is not possible to live on any other heavenly body. So it is our duty to know more about the earth and look after it. तो जितने भी planets हैं उन सभी में से earth पे ही life possible है because favorable conditions यहाँ पर हैं और किसी में भी नहीं है. इसीलिए earth के बारे में ज़्यादा जानना हमारी responsibility हो जाती है. Now, critical thinking, Pluto and dwarf planets. So, Pluto is a tiny world of rock and ice, only 2/3 of the size of the Earth's moon. It is one of 5 dwarf planets in our solar system that have so far been discovered. Dwarf planets are objects orbiting, going around the sun, which are smaller than a planet. They are mostly round in shape. Pluto, Eris, Haumea and Makemake are all found in the outer reaches of the solar system within the Kuiper belt. This is a broad ring of objects that stars near Neptune and spreads out to roughly 9.3 billion miles, 15 billion kilometers from the sun, and the 5th dwarf planet Sirius lies in the asteroid belt. So अभी जो आपसे एक सवाल पूछा गया था कि प्लूटो आपका dwarf planet में क्यों कंसिडर किया गया है, this is the answer for that. बहुत छोटा सा है, and then there are certain क्वालिफिकेशंस और क्राइटेरियन टू गेट इनटू द लिस्ट ऑफ द प्लैनेट्स. उनमें से एक भी अगर आपका नहीं होता है तो आपको प्लैनेट्स की लिस्ट से बाहर निकाल दिया जाता है. दिस इज द एग्जैक्ट रीजन व्हाई प्लूटो इज नॉट कंसिडर्ड अ planet but a dwarf planet. Now let's study about India in space and read about it. Indian Space Research Organization ISRO was formed on 15th August 1969. It is India's space agency. Aryabhat was India's first satellite, was sent to space in 1975. India sent Chandrayaan-1 to the moon in 2008. Chandrayaan studied the surface of the moon. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was the founder of ISRO. He is regarded as the father of Indian space program. SLV-3 was the first Indian rocket that placed a satellite in space. This project was led by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. India's other rockets are PSLV and GSLV. India sent its first spacecraft, the Mars Orbiter mission, Mangalyaan to Mars on 5th November 2013. It reached the Mars orbit on 24th September 2014. India is the first nation in the world to successfully send a spacecraft to Mars in its फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट. तो ये इंडिया की स्पेस में क्या क्या आपकी अचीवमेंट्स रही हैं उन सब चीज़ों के बारे में है. इसरो, इंडियन स्पेस रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इज द नोडल एजेंसी फॉर ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ स्पेस एक्टिविटीज दैट आर हैपनिंग इन इंडिया. जो सैटेलाइट्स भेजने का काम होता है, रॉकेट लॉन्चिंग का होता है. एंड द फादर ऑफ इसरो इन इंडिया इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी डॉक्टर विक्रम साराभाई बिकॉज ही फाउंडेड द इंडियन स्पेस रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इसको आप रीड करते रहिए, टेक इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम देम एंड कंटिन्यूसली रिवाइज इट.